Hello everybody, today we're going to be unboxing Lethal Lily. I already cut the tape because she's in her shipping box. I don't want to take her out of said shipping box. So I just cut the tape. Cardboard filler piece. So, instructions, we don't need those. The base. Actually pretty heavy. Base. The hat. Set that aside. Clothes. There. Her hair. She looks. There she is. Parts of her staff. Frogs there, her arms are here. Stuck together. There we go. Just wait. Back piece. Her waist bracket, kind of beef out like a dress or something. Here's her main module piece, a little bent up there. Frog basket. That's actually take it back. No, it's a frog. I don't know. Looks like it's either a frog or a toad. Let its feet or not. Other parts of the staff. Everything's flying out of the box. Packing out. I'll add that packing later. And last but not least, the poles. So I'll start assembling her. So she's got a very basic standard setup. For an SVI prop, you snap on the base is labeled A, you snap on the B pole, and then the C pole. She does only have a one pole structure, which is kind of annoying, but and also this here likes to pop out of place. I wish they would do like what Techie does with their pins like that and add like a cotter pin that you add through it. But they did not. I might add that myself. But next you basically, let me grab it here. Take this here, relatively simple. You snap it on. And there you go. Her plastic chest is a little deformed because this bar in here was completely bent, which kind of sucks, but yeah, she's pretty simple build. Me being me, not reading the instructions, you are supposed to put this on first because it's just a way more difficult to get it over this because there's a pretty tight elastic on this. But the clothes feel very nice quality. There's a nice thick fabric. It's not not thick, but it's stiff, so it gives her a lot of shape, like an actual dress. I do need to take that sticker off, but yeah, here she is. After you put the dress on properly, you put on her shirt. The bent up plastic inside is not necessarily doing her any good. Yeah, she looks a little strange, but I can probably fix that later. But so far, she's coming along pretty good. Next, you put on the arms, connect them up, and then you put on the head. You put on the arms, connect the wire. See here, there's the connection there. This one has a pin to hold it on. And you build the staff. And then this relative relatively simple. Is you just put on the basket, hook up the wire. You put on the arms, connect the wire. See here, there's the connection there. This one has a pin to hold it on. And you build the staff. And then this, relatively simple, is you just put on the basket, hook up the wire. Here she is, fully set up. I have her about, I think, probably about half volume. And she's on sensor, but I have not plugged her in yet. So we're gonna do that now. She will reset. There she goes.
Wait, is it a motorized man? Please come closer and let me get a good look at you. Oh, oh dear, what happened to your face? If you'd like, I can turn you into a toad. It would be a definite upgrade, I think.
She's very loud. Let me turn it down. But
Happy Halloween!